back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's job lead is going to be from the grocery delivery service Instacart, but you won't be delivering any groceries or leaving your house. They have the same job available both for the United States and for Canada. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages that I share are always directly linked for your ease of access in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, Instacart is hiring a senior billing operations specialist. This is going to be on a 1099 contract basis. And they're looking for somebody for a minimum of 6 months, and that could be extended depending on the business needs. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for order entry into the system and the billing associated with those orders. You'll also do customer inquiry operations as well as other workflows around quote to cash process, specifically for mergers and acquisition. So you're going to have a small piece of like customer inquiry, customer service type with this position. Now, this is going to be a more advanced position other than just entering orders. You're going to document control and procedures surrounding the multiple process flows. You'll analyze and report on metrics that support the company's business objectives, working collaboratively across the teams like sales and account managers, data engineering, all of that sort of thing. So on top of entering the orders, billing, you are really looking for process improvement, how to improve the processes, where they're failing, where they're good at, all of that kind of thing. So they're looking for somebody who's excited about working in a high growth, dynamic company environment, someone who has great communication skills and can be consistent with the urgency which you apply to resolving issues. You've got to have that proven track record of achieving business objectives. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 years experience or more, either in order to cash, billing, or some kind of accounts receivable. And they do require a bachelor degree in finance or accounting or something related to money. If you have a degree, though, they are paying very, very well. Now, please note in the description, I have 2 different job links. The first one is marked for the United States, and pay for the United States is going to be anywhere from $60 an hour all the way up to $65 an hour. The second one is the exact same job posting, but when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, the pay is listed for my Canadian viewers, and that is $40 to $45 Canadian. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.